make kimonos like this one that I'm wearing. I'm going to show you how to make a paper version of kimonos. The things that you need are 2 pieces of A4 paper. You can use any paper. You can even use magazines. These are a couple of the paper ones that I made earlier. Here's one from the A4 paper, just ordinary copy paper. And here's one that I made out of magazines that are cut out. I'm sure you've got magazines lying around. Kimono in Japanese means just something to wear. So this is just to understand what a kimono is. So from the 2 pieces of A4 paper, I've prepared two of the pieces that I made earlier. So from this, I'm just going to cut out these 2 sections. It's T-shaped garment. It's a very simple garment that Japanese people wear, all Japanese people wear throughout their lives, whatever age they are, men and women and children. And they can be very special, like for weddings, or they can be just something that you wear every day. So there's your T-shape. I'm now going to, with some sellotape, just stick the sides together that I would normally be sewing together. So just like as if you were making a seam. So I've just put the sellotape on the sides there. I'll make a little cut so I can fold them over. There we are. It means that you've now got something held together along the sides. Now I need to do that along the top and the sleeves also. There we are. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to cut the front section straight up the middle, so it will be like the opening here. So you can see you've got something beginning to look like a garment. Now with the pieces that I cut off, the spare pieces, you can now make your kimono longer. So from for the front or for the back, but you really need both. Again, with your sellotape, you can just stick those extra pieces like an extra section. See, again, I've extended the length on both sides, but I now need to make sure that that seam is stuck down as well. And I've cut the front through the bottom, but kept the back all one piece. So your kimono is now one quite large garment, and so you could make this as long or as short as you want. I quite like it being a long one so that you can decorate as much as you like. And this is the one that I made earlier. And you can see that I've put some spotty sellotape around the edges just to make it a bit more decorative. And then I've coloured in with crayons and pencils to give it lots of different patterns like kimonos have. So that's how to make a kimono. And if you make it a bit bigger, you can make it to fit dolls or teddy bears, or all sorts of different things. So have a go, see if you like doing it.